My name is Shobhit and I graduated from MIIPS in December 22 and I'm currently working as Advanced Manufacturing Engineer for Robotics at Manufacturing Futures Institute. Before MIIPS program, I was working in a Nanotech startup. I was looking for programs that were more focused around product development. So I was looking for programs that are in a school that are more technical but also have strong design expertise. And MIIPS was a huge jump to pivot my career into product development and manufacturing. Classroom experience in MIIPS was very much not like the traditional classroom experience. It's more of a conversation with the faculty and students. There are a lot of times where you are just put into groups and having to figure it out. MIIPS is a program that helps you develop a mindset that's ready for the world outside. When I saw that the career outcomes of MIIPS involved everything from product design engineers, software engineers, UX researchers, designers, I felt those kind of career outcomes really resonated with me. In my current role, I get to leverage working on robotics very much hands-on, as well as designing new courses for high school students, as well as industry partners. On day-to-day basis, I'm wearing many hats and I really prepared me for that kind of role. MIIPS really gave me confidence in dealing with the uncertainties of the real world, working with people of different career backgrounds.